Hey everyone, today is Monday and I have been in full-on nesting mode around here. So I've been working on my little cart here. So it's going to be kind of like my little breastfeeding and baby cart that is on wheels, and I can kind of like take around the house. So if I'm like in the living room with the baby, it can be wheeled in there with me. And if I'm in here, it can just be at my bedside and I'll have everything that I need. I did something very similar with Sefton, except for I had just little baskets that I had throughout the house with stuff in it. But I thought this cart idea was really cool. So I'm going to show that to you guys. I've been organizing the drawers for the baby. I'll show that to you all later. Crib is coming today. I have a hair appointment in an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the cart. All right, so here is the cart. It's just 3 tiers. I got it from Target. It was super affordable. It was like less than $20 and very easy to put together. So I've just been kind of like organizing and getting all of the essentials out here, things that I just want to have really close to me. So I just have this little bin here with some nursing pads. These are disposable. Just put some Kleenex in here, my prenatals, because I'll still be taking those after I have the baby. Some Tylenol for painkillers. The hospital will give me some as well. Tylenol always works for me. I've got some nipple butter here. This also works really well as a lip balm. So I have that here. This will also go in my hospital bag as well. Some stool softener, because that is very important. The hospital will give me some while I'm there, so I won't need to take this. I just have a little mini thing of baby Aquaphor. Got a few of his diapers here and some wipes. These are lactation cookies. I've heard really good things about these, so I just have a couple packs of these up here just to try out and see how I like them. I put my Necessaire body lotion up here because it is fragrance free, so I'm planning to just use this as just like a hand cream if I need it, but I wanted something that was fragrance free that wouldn't irritate the baby. Water bottle, very important, because when you are nursing, you are always thirsty. Plus, it's just good to have water at all times. So I have that up here because I will be refilling that throughout the day a lot. This second little tier, I just have some of his little pacifiers, clips. I have some more pacifiers back there in a little Ziploc bag. And so, yeah, I may switch this out. They're just in this little bin now, but for now, this is good. This is a swaddle blanket. I've got some burp cloths back there. This is Freedom Mom gas and colic relief little kit here, and I showed you guys this in my last video. I haven't opened it yet, but I do plan on opening that. And then down here, this is kind of like where my pump and stuff will be. I plan to keep like all of my like breastfeeding tools and things. So I have some breast milk storage bags here. This is nursing and pumping bra, so that's great. It's like 2-in-1. This, I'm trying something new. This is the Freedom Mom 2-in-1 lactation massager. I did get clogged ducts when I was nursing with Sefton, and it's very painful, so I want to give that a try. These are just some manual pumps that I picked up. This one is new. I haven't even opened it yet. So this one I just recently picked up, so I've heard really good things about this. My Medela manual pump back there that worked well with Sefton, so I just put that in there just to have a variety in case this one doesn't work out yet, but I just still have it in the little storing case because I'm not ready to open that yet. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I have on the cart right now. I'll probably reorganize this once I get my breast pump. I'll be adding my breast pump here as well. And so that's where this will go. I don't know, I may move it to the top too, but I don't know. But so far, this is the little cart that I have set up. It's super convenient. Like I said, it does have wheels, so it can be wheeled from room to room, just depending on where we are and what we're doing. But that's what I got so far. So yeah, as you can see, doing all the things, nesting around here. I've been cleaning like crazy. I've been doing tons of laundry. There is the baby's little laundry basket and the diaper genie right there. And so super convenient. The crib will be right along this wall here. I'll show that to you guys once it comes. And then the little cart, I'll just put that over here for now next to my bed just to get it out of the way. But I've just been working on that. I've also been packing my hospital bag. That will be the next video that you guys will see because that's about done now. So yeah, I am gonna go ahead and finish getting myself together so that I can go to the hair salon, and then I will check back in with you guys when I get back. All right guys, so back home now, got my hair done. I feel so much better. Got some little flyaways here, but we have a crib now. So I just wanted to come back, share with you all the crib. Got it all set up. I'm still waiting on sheets, so those should be here in the next few days. But let me turn you guys around so you can see the crib. All right, so here is the crib. And we decided to go with a mini crib versus a bassinet for a couple different reasons. Sefton had a bassinet when he was a baby and he barely slept in it. I feel like they can be a bit of a waste of money because the baby tends to grow out of it super fast. So I decided to get a mini crib. This is great for small spaces, especially if you're going to be doing like a master bedroom / nursery. Obviously this is a temporary setup, but I love this because it's super small and compact, although it may not look like it on camera, but it's small, compact. It also folds up, so you can take the mattress out and it'll fold up and you can like store it if you want to. Also has wheels, so you can move it from one space to the next. So technically I could put this on my bedside so that I can have easy access to the baby, but it's not necessary. This is fine because it's not that inconvenient for me to get up and get the baby. So I love this. The mattress we went with, like I told you guys, we went with the Newton baby, and they do have a mini crib mattress, and it's very breathable, very safe for the baby. I ordered some mini crib sheets from Pottery Barn that I'm waiting to come in now. Don't worry about the bear, that's not going to stay in the crib. That's just a little prop. I let Sefton pick him out a toy when I told Sefton that we were having a new baby. But yeah guys, this is the crib. I went ahead and put his little laundry basket on that end, and then his diaper genie is on that end. This is his Barefoot Dreams blanket. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I love it. So here's just the other side, and I love it. It's so nice and just compact. It doesn't take up a lot of room or anything. So very happy with this. And over here, I just want to show you guys his little drawer organization. So I got these little bins from IKEA years ago. They were actually the bins that I used for Sefton, and obviously his clothes are too big to fit in these now, but I saved them. They're really easy to clean. You can just wipe them down and they're good to go. So I wiped them all down and put his little clothes in here. So I have a little bin for his hats. These are all long sleeve and long pant, like onesie little sets, mainly newborn and some 0 to 3 month. These are his little washcloths. They're so soft. Some little socks. Over here I just have pants, and then these are all short sleeve onesies. And then back here I just have some extra onesies that are in larger sizes that I need to wash still. But that is what I have in this drawer. In this top drawer I just have burp cloths. These are nursing pad covers. This is his bath towel, some bibs, and then these are just like receiving blankets and little swaddles. I won't be using these to swaddle him. He has swaddles. This is one here, and then I have another one that I'll be putting in my hospital bag. So I just have that there, but everything's been washed and put away. So this is his little essentials drawer. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much everything that I wanted to share with you all today. I know this vlog was kind of just more based around baby stuff, but that's literally all I've been doing. It's just nesting. Yeah, I just wanted to share with you all how I'm nesting and organizing and getting prepared for baby. Not to mention, I'm planning Sefton's 7th birthday party, which is coming up in a few weeks. So y'all pray for me, because planning for a baby and planning a child's birthday party at the same time is extremely hard. But I got it done. Birthday party is booked, cake is ordered, Sefton is good to go. Just got to do a few other little things, but we're good there. Baby is growing, and I'm just trying to make sure that I am prepared, because I am 33 weeks and 2 days now. And so, I mean, I just want to be prepared. So yeah, I am so exhausted, but it's been so much fun planning for the baby, prepping, doing all this fun stuff. I'm so excited. Can't believe there's going to be a little baby in here in like 7 weeks. It's crazy. But just wanted to share this with you all, especially for my new moms out there who are trying to figure out how to prepare, especially if you're a first-time mom. It can be a little bit overwhelming, but do not fret, don't stress, have fun with it, take your time, try not to get too overwhelmed. And yeah, so I'll link all of the items that I showed you guys today, at least everything that I can. I'll link it below so you guys can check that stuff out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just list them below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.